Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to restart your computer using just your keyboard, no mouse needed at all. Super useful trick, especially when your mouse stops working or your screen freezes. Let's get into it. The quickest keyboard shortcut to restart your computer is pressing Alt and F4 at the same time while you're on the desktop. Make sure no apps are open or in focus. If something is open, Alt F4 would just close that app instead. Once you press it on the desktop, a small shutdown dialog box will pop up. Use your arrow keys to scroll through the dropdown and select Restart, then hit Enter. Your computer will restart immediately. Clean, fast, and simple. Another really easy way is pressing Ctrl Alt and Delete all at the same time. This brings up the security screen with a few options. Look at the bottom right corner of that screen. You'll see a power icon. Press the Tab key a few times until that power icon is highlighted, then hit Enter. A small menu will pop up with Sleep, Shutdown, and Restart options. Use your arrow keys to highlight Restart and hit Enter. Done. Your PC will begin restarting. Here's another method using the Windows key. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Then press the Tab key to navigate around and use your arrow keys to move to the Power button. It's usually at the bottom left of the Start menu. Hit Enter to open the power options and then use your arrow keys to select Restart and hit Enter again. This method works great even if your touchpad or mouse is completely unresponsive. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. This one is a little more advanced but really cool. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type in shutdown/R/T0 and hit Enter. The /R means restart and the /T0 means do it immediately with 0 seconds delay. Your computer will restart right away. If you want to give yourself a little time before it restarts, replace the 0 with a number like 30. That gives you 30 seconds before the restart kicks in. If you can open Command Prompt, this works great too. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and hit Enter to open it. Then type shutdown/R/T0 and hit Enter. Same command as before. Your PC will restart immediately. You can also type shutdown/R/T60 if you want a 1-minute countdown before it restarts. Useful if you need a few seconds to wrap something up first. A couple of handy things to know. If your computer is completely frozen and none of these methods are working, your last resort is to hold down the physical power button on your PC or laptop for about 5 seconds until it forces a shutdown. Then press it again to turn it back on. It's not the cleanest way, but sometimes it's the only option. Also, if you use these shortcuts regularly, Alt F4 on the desktop is honestly the one most people end up using. It's just the fastest once you remember it. And that's it. 5 different ways to restart your computer using just your keyboard. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.